Okay, you've got a great idea and you need some help. Please call us. We're here to help you. All right, Stephen Key, inventRightTV. I have a very special guest, Sylvia. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you, Stephen?
I'm doing wonderful. Now, Sylvia, you've been with InventRight for a long time. How many
Yes.
years?
It's 10 years. I've been with InventRight for 10 years.
10 years?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Yep.
And what do you do at InventRight? Because you have a very important job. People call you all the time, don't they? And what do you do?
Well, I'm here to answer their questions. And find out about where they're at in the process, how we can be of service to them, and learn more about their story and what's going on with their products and their ideas, and also where are they stuck, and see
Oh,
if we can support them, because a lot of individuals are trying to do this alone, have been trying to do this by themselves, and or are being directed by the wrong people. And so I'm really here to listen to them, find out what's going on, and see if we're a good fit to support them and help them through the process and their journey. So that's what I'm here. I went through it myself 10 years ago, which is then why I feel like I'm the right person to be able to tell them about what it's like, but also come from a
okay.
place of understanding and
Okay.
knowing that, you know, what it's like to be in their shoes, and what how we can help them. So that's what I'm here for.
Okay. So, Sylvia, you have people that call us from all over the place. Is there a certain demographics that calls? Is it older guys or women? I mean, who's calling you?
Everyone and anyone. So, yes, we do get a lot of male inventors contacting us, but I also believe that there is a smaller percentage of female inventors that actually apply for patents as well or know about the patent process. But I hear from everybody. So, individual, and also from all across the globe as well. So,
Okay.
yeah, but
So, if I'm just starting out, guide me a little bit because I think we have a couple programs. Let's say I'm just starting out
mhm.
and I've got this great idea, or maybe I have a prototype, or maybe I filed a PPA, but really I'm kind of going down this journey for the first time. I think I'm pretty far along, but in reality, I've just done a couple things.
Yeah.
What do you tell people like that?
Yeah. So I always recommend and suggest that they always increase their knowledge and education. So learning about the License This program, which is more of our online self-directed program, self-guided program, really for the DIYer, but somebody
Okay.
that very knows very little about licensing, or has actually done a little bit, and may
Okay.
think that they're further along, but really wants to be hands off, kind of maybe
Got it.
scared of coaching or scared of some hand holding, and really prefers to still be at it by
Okay.
themselves. So the License This program is definitely a great fit for that. So building that foundation, right? With everything in
Okay.
life, you need to have some kind of solid foundation. And then if an individual is further along and has actually done a lot of the work, maybe has done their market research, has looked into what it takes to file protection, but really wants to learn the process
Okay.
and wants to be one-on-one with somebody to help them and not feel alone as they're going through it, or might be stuck. You know, it could be stuck with a prototype, it could be stuck with filing their PPA, it could be stuck with
Okay.
knowing what companies to reach out to, but really wants guidance, wants somebody. They want to be in the driver's seat, but they want a coach, a mentor, somebody that is sitting next to them, telling them, this is the way to go, this is where you turn, this is where you stop, slow down, speed up. Then I would recommend more one on one coaching.
Okay.
Um, And then, of course, we have our gateway program.
Yeah,
And
well,
so,
okay, wait a minute. So the first two programs are really about one's doing it yourself. It's very affordable,
mhm,
great. Another one's more coaching, hands-on, guiding you every step along the way. But there's a lot of people that are just too busy. There's a lot
yes.
of people that maybe are selling on Amazon, or maybe they have inventory, or maybe they just want some help and they need more distribution, they want more sales. What program do we have for them?
So that I would say the gateway program would be a great fit. That's where we
Okay.
would come in and we would be the ones that are actually presenting their product to companies because they don't have the time. They're running a business and being on the phone all day,
Okay.
every day, contacting companies and reaching out to them and following up with them and trying to get feedback, is not something that they have the actual time to do. And
Okay.
so that's what our gateway program is. So that would be more of a fit for individuals who
Okay.
are in those types of situations. And we do get, I think, one of the reasons why we actually developed the Gateway program after so many years of doing coaching is what were people constantly asking us for. Now, this is individual, both independent inventors, but even individuals in our own programs themselves. The number one thing that we constantly heard and got feedback about is
Okay.
I don't have the time. Can you please reach out to companies for me? Can you make the contacts for me? Can you present the idea for me? And so,
Okay.
after hearing all that feedback, we really wanted to start and develop a new program that actually solves that specific problem and provides that exact service. And
Okay.
so, that's when we developed
That's
the
the gateway.
gateway. Yeah.
The gateway also helps with the negotiations. Is that correct too?
It does, absolutely. So if a
Okay.
company is ready to negotiate an offer with
Okay.
one of our clients, then we help with that as well. So,
Wonderful.
yeah.
So basically, when someone calls, you're the first person they're going to talk to, so you can actually find out what they need to be successful in their journey of
Yes.
commercializing their ideas.
Absolutely. And sometimes people are afraid to call. And sometimes people are afraid to schedule an appointment. And I always let them know, don't be afraid because I don't bite.
Okay.
So unless you have a sandwich for me, I'm not going to
Okay.
bite. So I'm really here to,
All right.
find out because if we are, let's say we are not a right fit for them or we don't have a service, we can always maybe refer them out or point them in the right direction.
Okay.
So you don't get off a call without feeling like okay I know which way to go. And or sometimes I do have to provide some level of a little bit of education with regards to a product. Maybe their product is not something that
Okay.
is fit for licensing but would require more further research and development. So I am here to provide them with some insight, but definitely see if we are a good match and to be a team with them because we really
Okay.
provide a community, but we are more of a team that works with them throughout this process.
You guys, there it is. Sylvia, thank you for doing it for 10 years.
Yeah, you're
You're,
very welcome. Well, it's a
you're
pleasure being here for 10 years.
amazing. You guys, InventRight TV, if you have an idea, you need some help, make sure to give Sylvia a call.